My name is Haythem BARHOUMI, network and system engineer. Today I want to show you how you can set up and install GLPI on CentOS 7. So, what is GLPI? GLPI is a best tools open source information resource manager. GLPI can be used to build a database with an inventory for your company technology infrastructure. For example, your computer, your software, your printer, and your switch. It has enhanced function to make the daily life for the administration easier. So, such as a job tracking system with a mail alert or a mail notification and methods to build a database with basic information. So about your network topology, you make many information, and needless to say, GLPI is very hand because it's very handy to tools that is becoming more and more popular with IT departments. So personally, I have installed and used the GLPI in many ways, including having it as an inventory system for all my beginning at home or at office. Sorry. So, as I say, personally, I have installed and used the GLPI in many ways, and that one thing I noticed was that on in one installation, Git did not exist that way simple and easy to understand. So in this video, my goal is to go over how you can install the GLPI from the beginning to the end. So let's start. Try to repeat with me the steps, and it is very easy, not difficult. So let's start. So try to open your terminal. Okay. So, to start, you will need to open the protocol SSH to your CentOS 7 machine. If you are not Windows, for example, you can use PuTTY or Telnet to achieve this. Donc, once you are logged into your system, run the following command: wget install epel-release. Okay. D'accord. Okay. D'accord. Okay. So when you have a problem with, for example, network is unreachable or else, you will find the setting of your proxy server and execute your command export HTTP or HTTPS, your proxy server IP and your port. package epel-release will be updated. Okay, updated. Now try to install. Install NetTools. Try installing Vim, and you can see wget. Okay, good. Okay, complete. So now let's get started by downloading and installing some of your prerequisites environment. So try to install this. Copy this link, then paste here. Okay. Okay. So wait a minute. So now when you are installed GLPI, it is the time to install many software that you need, such as HTTP, PHP, php-mysql, mbstring, imap, ldap. So try to copy this. Okay, paste. D'accord. Another application is currently holding the link. Yes, d'accord. php-imap. D'accord. So, I'll try to get this. D'accord. So mariadb-server is already installed. Okay. Now, once you have your package installed, it is the time to start configuring your service. So let us begin by allowing the system to host a website with your web server Apache. So try to execute this command. firewall-cmd permanent permanent okay, permanent add service again http. Okay, success. So now firewall reload. Success. Okay. Now try to enable your HTTPD. So systemctl enable HTTP. The same for your Maria database. So Maria database. Okay. Try to start your HTTPD. Okay, and try to start your database. Okay. Now, before we can start your GLPI installation, you will need to configure your database. So try to execute this command: mysql secure installation. Enter current password. Set root password. Yes. New password, for example. Confirm your password. Yes. This layer. Yes. Okay. Privilege database. Yes. Thank you for using Maria database. Okay. Now, we can prepare your GLPI database and your service account. So login into your database and following this command. So try to set your username and your password that you are specified early during your initial configuration. So mysql okay, your password. Okay, so try to create your database. So create database, for example, GLPI. Okay, now create user. So create user, for example, Haythem. Parameters, localhost, identified by your password. Okay. Now grant all privilege on GLPI point to Haythem path localhost identified by your password, for example. Okay, we have another index case. Database library. Okay, it is first type. So grant all privilege on GLPI to Haythem localhost identified by your password. Okay. Now flash privilege. D'accord. Flash privilege. D'accord. Ok. And wget. Okay. Now try to going to another step. To set up and install GLPI. Now remember that your GLPI package that you are download earlier is located in the GLPI package, and run the following command on it. Donc try to extract this GLPI. Okay. This GLPI. Now you should have a file called GLPI. In the sum folder that you are extracted your GLPI point type. So you will need to copy the totally of your directory in CentOS that is located at /var the www.html. So cpu GLPI /var www.html. Okay, so cd /var www.html. Yes, okay, GLPI it's found. Now, since we are installing GLPI from its source, the permission get a little funky. So the first thing we are going to do is to assign the correct user and permission for your GLPI folder. So try to execute this, chmod, to read, write and execute. Okay. Now /chown, apache, okay. So you may be thinking, well, that wasn't so hard, and you are right, but those commands are located in GLPI documentation. Now try to execute this command, /chown de httpd sys network content. //w HTML. Okay. Now setsebool. Setsebool. The HTTP. Oh. HTTP-d can connect plutôt can setsebool mobile HTTPD can connect connect so it's separate. D'accord. Yes, it's the same. Sys config the rest. So if you have this problem as Linux is disabled, you will be able to enable this system exploration in Linux, but you will be reboot your system. So you will be reboot. Okay, now you can try to execute this command. Okay, now try to navigate the okay, so select your language, GLPI setup, I have read and accept the term of the research. Continue. So choose install for completely new installation. Install and try to see your error. So as you see here, check and write permits for this setting file. Config. Okay. Config. Okay, I will try to search this solution. Wait a minute. So sorry, I forget to say that you will be check HTTP can network connect the database on can network to connect on, and then HTTPD can send mail on. So try to execute this. Can send mail and this can connect to database. Okay. So it is very easy. The problem because when you say your SQL Linux disabled and then you change it to enforcing, so you will be able to reboot your host to make change. So now try to install GLPI. Set up. Okay. Install. Good. Okay. Do you want to continue? Yes. Database connection parameter. SQL server. Scale user. Okay, test of the connection of the database is successfully. Please select your database. GLPI. Continue. Okay, installation of database. Okay, database was installed. Continue. Default login password. GLP for administration account. So use GLP. Example. GLP. Okay. Now you have your assistants to create a ticket, management tools, administration to administrative users. Okay. Setup. For example, when you will be to follow via email, for example, notification or alert, you can do this. Your mail configuration, your SMTP host or your POP host. You can authenticate with your ldap directory, for example. So you will be able to set up your authentication, ldap directory, add new users. Your users use BASDM, for example, DC equal Haythem, for example, and DC equal local. This is your domain. Root DNS your administrator, and password for your administrator, and you can connect using your, for example, Haythem or local administrator. And you can submit this. So now you are finished your installation. Thank you for taking the time to see my video, and I hope that it was very helpful in some way to you. But if you noticed anything that is wrong or have a better way of doing this, so please don't hesitate to give me your feedback and to send me your comment below at my email, or you can contact me in my mobile phone. So thank you, and see you in another video. Bye.